Welcome back to Fired Up Garage. Tonight we are adding some more lights to the Jeep. So Suparee sent us over some 3-inch LED off-road lights, and these are pretty cool because they come with not only the lights, you've probably seen these mounted on, bumpers of Jeeps, or up here on the cowl area, up on the roof rack on a bar, something like that. 3 LED spots in there, and then pigtails where you can plug them in, mounting holes, the brackets mount here. Comes with all that stuff, mounting brackets and everything. One of the nicest things about this kit is it comes with a full harness that has a relay in it, has a fuse already built into it, and then where you hook it on to the batteries, a bunch of cables so you can put these out in front, on the cowl, up top, wherever you want. Pretty good quality on the spade clips and stuff. It's got covers on them. I was impressed that it had the relay built in and the fuse built in, so you don't have to worry about that. Don't have to buy anything else. It's kind of an all-inclusive. It's also got the switch already built in too, and so you can mount that inside the cab wherever you want, and it's got everything you need. So we're going to throw these 3-inch LED spots on. These are from Suparee. We'll drop a link down below if you're interested in these, and let's hook some up and see what they look like. So in this case, we're just going to go with the classic and mount them right here on the cowl like everybody does. I think I'll mount them back here probably a little tighter, and then we'll just run the wires under here under the cowl. Tonight, going to remove the cowl on a Jeep JK. First thing you're going to do is take off the windshield wiper arms. To do that, you're going to pull up these plastic covers. Sometimes you got to pull out a little bit on the side as you pull up on it. Get you to these 13mm bolts. Going to take those off and remove the wiper arms. Then next up, you're going to remove these 4 screws out of the sides of the cowl here. These are T30. So that's the star looking one. Just gonna loosen those up and remove them. And then we've got 4 plastic clips. So that's what you're pulling out right there. Just friction from the little rings on it. This tool is just like a trim removal. We're just gonna put that under it. A little piece of cloth or glove or something under there, so you can pry without scratching. So now we removed our wiper arms, 4 pins out of the middle here, and the 4 screws on the outside. And at this point, you can just lift it up and remove. All right, so kind of thinking through best way to run this. I think I'm just gonna put this, sort of tucking this in right here, and then running this one across. All right, got the wiring hooked up. Just put the relay back here, put a second nut on that post to hold the relay. Then we just gotta run the switch to the inside and put the lights on. So we got most of the wire going in here. You gotta find a place for the switch wire to come through. I actually brought it over here to the driver's side because there's a grommet in the firewall here that they had already run some accessory wires through. So I went ahead and just went through that same spot. You can see right there, they had already run accessory wires through for trailer brakes. So I just followed into that same hole, and then I'll run this wire up and over to the center console area there and add the switch there. So at this point, all the wiring is run under the hood, and got it laying up here in the cowl. Just gonna get these lights ready to mount. Okay, got our lights kind of hanging out, ready to put the cowl back on. So I got the light run. You'll notice there's kind of a little gap right here at the end where you can run the wire out. And then I'm gonna mount this bracket. Put the bracket on before you put the light on. It makes it easier to tighten the bracket up. Then we'll insert the other cowl screws, put the other light on, and tidy it all up. After you get the bracket mounted, gonna put the light into place and put the Allen screws in. Just gonna put the wiper arms back on. There they are, all lit up. Way brighter than the headlights. A lot more illumination and a bigger pattern. Huge difference, huge difference. That's with the headlights. So we got these Suparee 3-inch LEDs hooked up on the Jeep, looking great. They're probably 2 to 3 times as bright as the factory headlights and give you that nice big pattern in front of you. So very happy with them, easy install. I really loved that the wiring harness included everything you need, so no runs to the parts store. Just lay it out, put it on, and firing them up. Thanks for watching. If you want to get some of these, links down below. Also leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see next on this Jeep. Thanks for watching.